Since 2011, Precision Lighting and Transformer has been dedicated to providing high-quality, cost-effective commercial lighting solutions that meet or exceed expectations set by other popular lighting brands. All PLT products feature 6 key elements that set them above the rest, combining factory-direct pricing and no-hassle warranties with made-to-order and rigorously inspected high-quality components engineered to withstand any environment. PLT fixture efficiencies are first in class, often reaching 140 lumens per watt. This is due to the use of LED chips from brands you can trust and top-of-the-line drivers like Sozin, Meanwell, and more. All LEDs are sourced from quality manufacturers and tested to ensure consistent color and performance. In the unlikely event of a failure, the well-known drivers can be easily replaced with basic hand tools. PLT products undergo a rigorous testing process. No products leave the factory without conforming to strict standards. Lumen output and color temperature are tested to be within a guaranteed 5% accuracy of perfection. Computer heat modeling and paint scratch testing are performed on the fixtures, confirming the look and design will withstand the ultimate test of time. PLT seeks to surpass the expectations set by lighting competitors and provide a product that's ready for any environment. The LED drivers can handle more heat than the industry standard. Epoxy powder coating from suppliers like DuPont protects the already resilient aluminum housing of outdoor fixtures from wear and tear in coastal regions. All products use lenses and optics with UV-resistant acrylic or glass to prevent fading, clouding, or yellowing in the sun. There's no middleman for PLT. Every product is shipped directly from the factories and stored at our warehouse in Dallas, Texas. Savings are passed straight to the consumer. Pricing for PLT products is often 50% less than competitors' lighting solutions, allowing commercial projects to stay on time and within budget. Most PLT products have a certified 3-year warranty with replacement stock available in our warehouse. If none of the over 500 PLT products matches your needs, custom specifications orders can be available in 70 to 90 days. Most fixtures can be modified in a variety of ways, including for higher lumen outputs, to withstand higher ambient temperatures, to change the beam spread or color temperature, and to add higher integrated or component-based kVA surge protection. Order what you want, how you want, and when you need it. PLT is more than just a brand name. It's a promise to deliver high-caliber commercial lighting products at a value your bottom line will appreciate.